Hi friends, who are going to attend the business analyst interview. These questions will help you in the interview for freshers and beginners. A set of 48 questions and answers. Watch the complete video. Question number 1. What is a flowchart and why it is important? A flowchart shows the complete flow of system through symbols and diagrams. It is important because it makes the system easy to understand for developers and as well non-technical stakeholders. Next, question number 2. Define use case model. Use case model shows a sequence of events and stream of actions regarding any process performed by an actor. Next, question number 3. What does UML stand for? It stands for Unified Modeling Language. Next, question number 4. Do you think activity diagram is important and how? As the name implies, an activity diagram is all about system activities. The main purpose of activity diagram is to show various events taking place in an organization in different departments. Next, question number 5. Can you name the 2 types of diagrams heavily used in your field? The 2 diagrams are use case diagram and collaboration diagram. Next, question number 6. Do you know what is meant by an alternate flow in a use case? It is the alternative solution or activity in a use case that should be followed in case of any failure in the system. Next, question number 7. What are exceptions? These are the unexpected situations or results in an application. Next, question number 8. What are extends? Extends is a relationship that is shown by dotted line. It is usually used to specify optional behavior which has no independent meaning. Example, help on sign-on extends use case sign-on. Next, question number 9. Name the 2 documents related to a use case. The 2 documents are FRD, Functional Requirement Document, and STD, System Design Document. Next, question number 10. What is the difference between business analyst and business analysis? Business analysis is the process performed by the business analyst. Next, question number 11. As a business analyst, what tools you think are more helpful? There are many, but I mostly use rational tools: Mississippi Visio, Mississippi Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, MS Project. Next, question number 12. In your previous experience, what kind of documents you have created? I have worked on functional specification documents, technical specification documents, business requirements documents, use case diagram, etc. Next, question number 13. What does INVEST stand for? INVEST means independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, sized appropriately, testable. It can assist project managers and technical team to deliver quality products/services. Next, question number 14. Define SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. It is related to cloud computing. It is different from other software bundles as you don't need this type of software to be installed on your machine. All you need is an internet connection and a web browser to use it. Next, question number 15. What steps are required to develop a product from an idea? You have to perform market analysis, competitor analysis, SWOT analysis, personas, strategic vision, and feature set, prioritize features, use cases, STLC, storyboards, test cases, monitoring, scalability. Next, question number 16. What do you think is better, the waterfall model or spiral model? It all depends on the type and scope of the project. Also, a life cycle model is selected on the basis of organizational culture and various other scenarios to develop the system. Next, question number 17. How can you explain a user-centered design methodology? It all depends on the end users. In such scenario, we develop the system with users' point of view. Who are the end users, what they require, etc. Personas are helpful in this process. Next, question number 18. How do you define personas? Personas are used instead of real users that assist developers and technical team in judging the user behavior in different scenarios. Personas are social roles, performed by any actor or character. It is derived from a Latin word meaning character. In marketing terminology, it represents a group of customers/end users. Next, question number 19. Define application usability. Application usability is the quality of the system that makes the system useful for its end users. System's usability is good if it is capable of achieving users' goals. Next, question number 20. What is a database transaction? When we perform any activity in a database, such as addition, deletion, modification, searching, etc., is said to be a database transaction. Next question number 21. Define OLTP systems. OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing. Such systems are capable of performing database transactions and are meant to provide good speed for database transactions. These systems are mainly used for data entry and retrieving data from the database. Next question number 22. Do you have any idea about Pugh Matrix? Pugh Matrix is used to decide about the most optimal and alternate solutions. This technique is now a standard part of Six Sigma technique. It is also known as a problem or design matrix. Next question number 23. What does FMEA stand for? It means Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. It is a failure analysis that is used mainly in product development, system engineering, and operations management. This analysis is performed to figure out various failure modes and their severity in any system. Next question number 24. What is a 100-point method? This method is used to assign priority to different steps in a process. Each group member is supposed to assign points to different steps. In the end, all the points for each step are calculated. The step having the highest points has the highest priority. Next question number 25. What is 8 Omega? It is a business framework that is mainly being adopted by firms and organizations for the betterment of their business. Its key factors are strategy, people, process, technology. Next question number 26. Can you define misuse case? It is a term derived from use case. Unlike use case, a misuse case is something that shows what kind of malicious activities can be performed by an actor that may result in system failure. Next question number 27. What does SQUARE stand for? SQUARE stands for Security Quality Requirements Engineering. It is one of the software engineering steps that mainly focus on documenting the security requirements of the system. Next question number 28. What is Pareto analysis? Pareto analysis is a decision-making technique, also known as 80-20 rule. It is used for quality control and defect resolution. It explains few factors that can be responsible for big problems. It is named as 80-20 rule, because as per this rule, 80% effects in the system arises from 20% causes. Next question number 29. What is Agile Manifesto? Agile Manifesto is a guide for software developers about the Agile development principles to ensure iterative solutions. Next question number 30. What BPMN stand for? BPMN is Business Process Model and Notation. It is a graphical representation of business processes. Next question number 31. Define BPMN Gateway. BPMN Gateway is a processing modeling component that is used to control the flow of interaction, the sequence of processes. Next question number 32. Name the 5 basic elements categories in BPMN. They are flow objects, data, connecting objects, swim lanes, and artifacts. Next question number 33. Have you ever used Kano Analysis in your previous jobs and how do you define it? Yes, I have used Kano Analysis in one of my previous jobs. Kano Analysis is used to analyze a system in terms of its requirements to identify its impact on customers' satisfaction. Next question number 34. What are the key areas in a Kano Analysis? Kano Analysis has 3 key areas, namely, unexpected delighters, performance attributes, and must-have attributes. Next question number 35. Define pair choice technique. The pair choice technique is used to give priority to various items in a process. It is mainly used when distinctive stakeholders are involved in the project. This technique asks the group to compare each item with the other and select the one having the highest priority. Next question number 36. Do you have suggestions to make an effective use case model? Yes, I would suggest making 2 separate diagrams. One serves as a use case, and the other serves as an actor diagram, so that we can highlight all the possible activities in a use case and in actor diagram, and then we can merge both the diagrams to get an effective use case diagram. Next question number 37. How many types of an actor can be depicted in a use case? 2 types of actors can be depicted in a use case, viz. primary and secondary actors. Primary actors start the process, and secondary actors assist them. Moreover, actors can be of four types such as human, system, hardware, and timer. Next question number 38. Define BCG Matrix. The Boston Consulting Group, BCG Matrix is developed to analyze several of business processes and new product offerings from companies. It is a useful tool that can be used in portfolio analysis, strategic management, product management, and brand marketing. Next question number 39. How can you differentiate between pool and swim lane? A swim lane is related to group activities on an activity diagram, while a pool is dedicated activity to a single person. Next question number 40. Differentiate between fish model and V model. Fish model is comparatively very costly and time consuming, while V model requires less time and cost. Moreover, the fish model is used when there were no ambiguities in the customer's requirements. Otherwise, V model is preferred. Next question number 41. How do you manage frequently changing customers' requirements while developing any system? As a business analyst, I would develop a document stating clearly that no change will be accepted after a certain period of time and get it signed by the user. Next question number 42. Define use case points. Use case points are used to evaluate the cost of work done to develop the system. Next question number 43. What does PEST stand for? It means political, economic, social, and technological. It is used to analyze business environment in which it has to be operated. Next question number 44. Name the 4 key phases of business development. They are forming, storming, norming, and performing. Next question number 45. Define benchmarking. Benchmarking is about measuring the performance of an organization to compete in the industry. In this process, a company may measure its policies, performance, rules, and other measures. Next question number 46. What do we mean by SWEBOK? It means software engineering body of knowledge. Next question number 47. What do you know about gap analysis? It is a process of comparing and determining the difference between two things or processes. Next question number 48. Define Agile. Agile is a technique that uses several lightweight methodologies such as rapid application development, RAD, extreme programming, XP, and Scrum. All these methodologies focus on the development of iterative solutions.